Hey, I'm Paul Gilmore with the Board of Trustees here in Carrollton-Farmers Branch ISD, and today we're at the welding shop. This should be fun. Let's go.
All right, so here we have our sleeves. It's gonna go over your arms, just like this.
Okay.
Gonna be this big part side up first.
Oh, they're so cute.
This adds an extra layer of protection.
Is that up far enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
You wanna stay half an inch away from the puddle. All right, you wanna go ahead and try?
Okay. So, you're a senior.
Yes, sir.
And what are you gonna do after this?
Hopefully welding.
All right, that's cool.
Yeah.
So is there a certificate you get or something?
Yes, we do offer certificates here. We're actually starting, I think, early this year in January.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you're gonna get that?
Yeah. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Excited?
I don't know if the world's ready for this, but I'm ready.
And then you're just gonna place one tack right here, and then the other one right there.
Is that good?
Yeah. It's perfect. It's pretty good for a first tack. Yeah?
I think I'm never gonna be a welder. They would fire me. But that's pretty cool. I do not have a clean weld. I do know that much.
How long have you been a board member?
Well, we're coming up on a year.
What do board members do on a day-to-day?
Hang out in welding shops. We oversee what's being taught. And, I mean, the superintendent's our main focus, but we make sure everything's been running right based off of what the community tells us they want and all that. We help approve budgets and all that good stuff.
All right.
So, and come hang out at football games and welding shops and have a really good time. So it's all about the students and giving back.
So right now we have a special project for you, which we're gonna start since we learned the basics.
Okay.
Now we're gonna move on to the project. So we made this cutout of Texas on our CNC machine.
Okay.
And we also made these cutouts as a CFB logo for you to have.
Hey, Elena, thanks for having me out and teaching me how to weld. I'm not going to be welding much more, but I now have the basic concepts, and that was really cool. So thanks for having me out.
Thank you.
All right. I'm school board member Paul Gilmore. Our future is public, built in our schools, shaped by our students.